Hello everyone, till my previous video I have covered till type 5 of the questions where we are discussing the combined concept of HCF and LCM, and from this video I'll be continuing with type 6. If you haven't checked out my previous videos, then please go and check them out. Okay, so let's begin with this video. So type 6 is there. What is the question? Sum of two numbers is 56 and LCM is 105. Find their HCF. So you have been given there are any two numbers, say n1 and n2, and you have been given their sum. And okay, if there are two numbers n1 and n2, so you have been given their sum as 56 and you have been given their LCM as 105. Now they are asking you the HCF of n1 and n2. So in such cases where you are given the LCM of two numbers and the sum of the two numbers, and you have been asked the HCF of the two numbers, you simply need to find out the HCF of their sum and their LCM. That is, you need to find out the HCF of 56 and 105 over here, and that is going to be the HCF of these two numbers. Okay, so I will be using the division method here. Okay, I will use division here. So 56, I will divide 105 by 56. It will go 1 times, and we will get here 9 and 4. Okay, then again I will divide 56 by 49. So here I am going to get 7. And as we know, 7 is going to completely divide 49. So my HCF is 7. Therefore, the HCF of these two numbers will be 7. So this is our answer. So if you are given the sum of the numbers and LCM of the numbers, then you simply need to find out the HCF of the sum and the LCM, and that is going to be the HCF of the numbers. Okay, so this was type 6. Let's move on to type 7. Okay, so here is my type 7. The question says find the least number of the square tiles that will be paved on the floor of the roof, which is 7 meter 50 centimeter long and 6 meter 50 centimeter wide, and also find the size of the square tile. Okay, so in this question what it is saying is that there is the floor of the roof, okay, which is, sorry, this is a straight line, so which is 7 meter and 50 centimeter long. Now let's make it into the same unit. Okay, obviously we cannot work on it like this, so let's convert the entire thing into centimeter. So 7 meter is actually 700 centimeter, and you will add 50 to it, so it will become 750 centimeter. Similarly, for 6 meter 50 centimeters, 6 meter is 600 centimeter, and we'll add 50 centimeter to it, so you'll get 650 centimeter. So this floor is 750 centimeter long, okay, it is 750 centimeter long and it is 650 centimeter wide, and we have to put square tiles on it. So let's say if the side of the square tile is A, then as it is a square tile, all the sides will be equal to A only, okay, A centimeter. Now it is asking you the least number of square tiles, okay, least number of square tiles. First of all, how will you find out the number of tiles required? As you must be knowing that if we find out the area of this entire floor, and since it is a rectangle, because the length and widths are not the same, so it is a rectangle and area of the rectangle is length into breadth, so the area of this floor of the roof will be 750 into 650. Okay, so if I divide this total area by the area of one square tile, which will be A square, because it is a square, and if we have assumed the side to be A, then area of a square is side square, therefore the area of one tile will be A square. So if I divide the total area by the area of one tile, what I will get? I will get number of tiles right? So now this number of tiles have to be the least. So one thing you must be knowing, that if we have some fraction and the numerator is the same, then as you are going to decrease the denominator, okay, as you are going to decrease the increase the denominator, you will get a as you will increase the denominator, you will get the higher value in the result. For example, if I have 300 in numerator and I am dividing it by 3, what I will get in result? 100. Now keeping this numerator same, that is 300, if I divide it by 5, see, I increase the denominator. Now in result I will be getting 60. So there is a decrease in the result. So as you will increase the denominator, you will get a decrease in the result if the numerator is the same. I think you must be knowing this, that higher the denominator, the lower is the value of the result if the numerator is the same. So for this area, if I want to get the least number of tiles, that is, I want to get the result of this division 750 into 650 upon a square. If I want the least result for this, the least result for this is only going to be the number of tiles, right? Whatever result we are going to get from this calculation is going to be the number of the tiles, okay? And we have to minimize this result because we want least number of tiles. So we have to find out the least value of this equation. And therefore, I need to, as I told you, that higher the denominator, the least is the value in the result. Therefore, I need to put highest value of a here. Okay, highest possible value of a is going to give me the least value in the result. Okay, then only I'll be getting the least number of square tiles. So what will be the highest value of a such that it completely divides this multiplication of 750 and 650? If it needs to divide this product of 750 and 650, a has to be a factor of 750 and 650. Then only it can completely divide their product. Okay. So a number which is completely dividing 750 and 650 and also is the highest number. Okay, the highest number which will completely divide 750 and 650 is what? Is the HCF of 750 and 650. That's why a will be my HCF of 750 and 650. As simple as that. Okay, see again, we want least number of square tiles, and that we'll get by dividing the total area by area of the square. Okay, that is going to give me the number of tiles. Now I want the least value. I want that when I divide this total area by the area of one square tile, I need to get a least number in the result because I want least number of square tile. The result of this equation is going to be number of tiles, and that has to be a least number. Okay, so to make that number minimum or least, I need to put the highest value of a in the denominator. So the highest value of a, which is going to divide both 750 and 650 completely, is nothing but the HCF of 750 and 650. Okay, so let's find out that. I can use the reduction method here. I can divide these two by 10, so I'll be getting HCF of 75 and 65. Now I can divide it by 5, so I will get the HCF of 15 and 13. Now as you can see, 15 and 13 are co-prime. That's why the HCF here will be 1. And since we divided by 5 and 10, so at the end I need to multiply by 5 and 10. So what I get? 50. So the HCF of these two is 50. So the highest number that is going to divide both these numbers is 50, and therefore that is the value of a. So my a will be 50. So if I divide this total area by 50 square, what I will get? The least number of tiles. Okay, let's write it into 50. 50 square is 50 into 50, right? 0 0 cancelled, 0 0 cancelled. 5 13s are 65 and 5 15s are 75. If you multiply 15 and 13, you will get 195. So 195 is the number of least tiles that will be paved on this area of 750 into 650. So what we were asked to find, we were to find the size of this. What will be the size of the square tile? Size of the square tile means area of the square tile. So what is the area of the square tile? 50 into 50, that is 2500 centimeter square. This is the size of one tile. Okay, they are asking you the size of one tile, square tile. So the size of the square tile or the area of the square tile is 2500 centimeter square, and the least number of tiles which we need is 195. Okay, so I think it is clear, and in this video I'm keeping it till here only. I have discussed only 2 questions. Okay, because from the next video I'll be starting with practice sets. We have covered everything on HCF, LCM, all type of questions we have covered, and now we'll be just practicing the questions. So from next video we'll be doing just practice of questions. Okay, because concepts we have covered everything. So let's see you in the next video, and if you like my work then please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.